case, Mr Chair.
Chris Hipkins.
Very much, Mr Chairman. Mr Chairman, why are we here? Why are we here, and what is this bill that we're debating? Well, the bill that we are debating extends the time frame for the special housing areas, and it extends the time frame in which they can be established until the 16th of September 2019, and it delays the repeal of the whole Act until the 16th of September 2021. So why are we here doing this under urgency? Why is this so urgent that the entirety of Parliament has to grind to a halt to push this through under urgency? Was this unexpected? Was the minister who drafted the legislation in the first place, who put the dates in the original legislation in the first place, was he unaware when he wrote that those were actually going to be the dates in which the law expired and the dates in which further special housing areas weren't going to be able to be established? If so, why did it take until this week for him to bring something to the House to do something about that? Because actually a minister that was vaguely competent in administering the legislation that they themselves had written would have been able to anticipate that this was going to be an issue and would have been able to address that through the regular legislative process. So why are we here? Why are we here under urgency through the night, tomorrow, however long it takes, in order to change these dates? In order to change these dates for the special housing areas when the government could have done that months ago, but chose not to. The government could have done that at any point since the passage of the previous legislation, had they wanted to. They could have changed the dates if they had wanted to, and they chose not to. So why are we here? So why are we under urgency debating this when the government could have dealt with these issues had they chosen to do so? It is because of the utter incompetent administration of all of the issues around housing. And I want to turn my attention to the provision of affordable housing in particular, because the the departmental disclosure statement makes the comment or the observation that of the special housing areas already established, there are around 75% of them that have up to 10% of affordable housing. And the remainder of presumably...
Sorry to interrupt the honourable member. This debate is interrupted. Members, the committee is suspended and I shall resume the chair at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.